Greetings. Today we're going to fold this revolving toy that goes on forever. So take out your A4 sheet, fold it in half. Take this edge, align it with this edge like so. Repeat on the other side. Now open and cut this excess portion out. Now flip your paper and fold it in half. And fold it in half again. And repeat on the other side. Now take this edge and fold it to the center. Like so. And repeat on the other side. Now fold this in half and repeat for the others. Now, as you can see, there is one point here and one point here. So we are going to fold along this diagonal right here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line there and then along this diagonal. Okay, right here. And repeat for the rest of them. Okay. One, two, one minute. Now repeat on this side as well. So take this edge and this edge and this edge and make a fold. The same with these two. Take this edge and this edge and make a fold and repeat with the rest of them. Now the other side. And now we are going to fold a triangle shape. Okay, we are going to fold a triangle shape. Okay, we are going to take this portion and tuck it inside this portion. Okay, watch very closely. I'm taking this side and I'm putting it inside this side. Okay, I'm going to push this portion in. Okay, like this. Now on each face I see this V right here, right? So I'm going to fold along that V and the bottom V as well. Okay, and I'm going to repeat it on each side. Okay, I'm going to repeat it on each side. I have this V and I have this bottom V. I'm going to fold along that. Okay, now I have a bigger V here and a bigger V here, right? You cannot see it, it is here and here. So I'm going to fold along those two creases like so. And I'm going to repeat it on this side with these two V's and on this side with these two V's. And now our revolving toy is ready. Okay. Here. Thank you.